How are you, grade 7? Hoping you are very well. Today we're gonna explain again how to get two variables and solve two equations together. But first we need to know some skills. If you have a number and you added the opposite of this number, like if you have 5 pounds and you lost 5 pounds, then the total is 0. That's pretty simple, okay? You add 3, negative 3 is equal to 0, okay? If you had a number is called x and you added 5 and the total is 10, you can guess it as x equal 5, okay? But with math, we solve it as 5 is positive. If there is no sign before the number, this sign is plus. So send it to the other side by the opposite side, negative 5. X equal 10 negative 5. 10 negative 5 equal 5. If you have a number multiplied by 2 and the result is 4, 2x equal 4, you can say that x equal 2, okay? With math we solve it as 2 times x. We've sent 2 to the other side by division. X equal 4 divided 2 equal 2. And the same, 4x equal 16. 4x means 4 times x. X equal, send 4 to the other side by division. 16 divided 4 equal 4. Be sure you are very tough in times table, okay? It's very simple. Now let's get into our lesson. Two numbers, their sum is 12 and the difference between them is 2. Find those two numbers. You can guess two numbers, their summation is 12. You have 3 and 9, 4 and 8, 10 and 2, 11 and 1, 5 and 7, 6 and 6. What do you choose? You choose according to the second condition. The second condition is the difference between them is 2. So two numbers, the difference between them is 2 is 7 and 5. Great, good guessing. But with math, we solve it as assuming that the two numbers are x and y. And write equations, their summations. X plus y equal 12. The difference between them is 2. Okay. Then add. Simply add. X and X, like Ben and Ben, cat and cat, dog and dog, donkey and donkey. There are two cats, two dogs, two donkeys. So I have 2 x. You have y and negative y. You gain, for example, 10 and you lost 10 again, so you have 0 equal 12 plus 2 equal 14. Then 2x plus 0 equal 2x equal 14. 2x means 2 times x. We send 2 to the other side by division. X equal 14 over 2 equal 7. Let's say this equation 1 and this equation 2. Substitute in equation 1. X plus y equal 12. You get x as 7 plus y equal 12. No sign before the 7, that means 7 is positive. Send it to the next side by negative. Y equal 12 minus 7 equal 5. Then the two numbers are 7 and 5. Okay. The next example, I let you to solve the example and check it with me. Just pause the video, solve the example, and check it. I consider you are paused the video and solve it, and you are checking now. Assume the two numbers are x and y. Their summation is 40, and the difference between them is 8. Add the two equations. X plus x equal to x plus y minus y 0. We have nothing. Equals 40 plus 8 equal 48. 2x equal 48. 2x means 2 times x. We send 2 to the other side by division. X equal 48 over 2, or divided 2, equal 24. Let's say this equation 1, equation 2. Substitute in equation 1. X plus y equal 40. 24 plus y equal 40. There is no sign before 24, that means it is positive. Send it to the next side by subtraction. Y equal 40 minus 24. 0 minus 4 is nonsense, so 0 will be 10, 4 will be 3, 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay? Again, try to solve the next example yourself. Pause the video and check the answer. Two numbers, their summation is 12. Let's make it difference by make it the summation is 144, and the difference is 16. Okay, I consider you pause the video and you solve it, and you back again. X plus y equal 144. X minus y equal 16. Then add the two equations. X plus x equal 2x. Y plus minus y equal 0. 144 plus 16 equal 160. 4 plus 6 equal 0. Equal 10. You put 0 and you had carry on 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 1 plus nothing is 1. Then x equal 160 divided 2. X equal 80. Let's say this equation 1 and this equation 2. You get x. The remaining is y. Substitute in equation 1. X plus y equal 144. X equal 80 plus y equal 144. 80 has no sign. You move it to the other side by subtraction. Y equal 144 minus 80. Then you have write it in a proper manner. 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 8, nonsense. So 4 will be 14 and 1 will be 0. Just borrow 1 from 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. So y is equal 64. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand well. Feel free to ask any question. Thank you for watching. See you next time.